Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna talk about how you can solve this slow charging problem in your Redmi smartphone. So let's solve it. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to disable all the running apps working in the background. So we have to just turn it off by going to the settings. Here swipe down, go to apps, and here it is manage apps. You have to click on the three dot and hide system apps first, and then you have to select the app you used more. Click on that app and click on that, and here it is data usage. Click on the data usage. If there is a data, then it will be clicked, and if there is no data in it, it will not be open. You have to click data usage and you have to click on background data and disable that feature, and it will not running in the background. Click on WhatsApp here and also clear cache of all the data, and click on three dots. Here it is show all apps. Click on it and here you have to type and click on type system here, and here it is Android system and Android system web view. You have to click on it and you have to clear the cache, and this helps your charging problem. And press bang, you can also enable OTG. Click on OTG. If you don't have, then you check out how to enable developer option in my description. You can check it, how you can enable developer mode. Then you have to type OTG here in the settings like this. You have to enable OTG and then your problem will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.